So we're going to do an update video, which I've been neglecting for the past month and a half or so. But we finished the overX of the house pad. We took out everything in between those T-posts, came out to about 2 foot in depth. All of that material was then used over here to build up the driveway. The driveway ties into the elevation of the road and comes up about a foot above the elevation of the road to make the meet up with where the house pad's going to be. I'm standing on top of what is left of my pile of dirt that was imported before we started the house pad, and it was, I mean, that berm right there was the edge of the pile of dirt. So far I've put about half, maybe 2/3 of it back into the hole. This is the 3rd or 4th lift that has been put back in. We're rolling it in with the sheepshoot roller. That was part of the delay, was finishing that. I built that roller from scratch to tow behind the tractor because the skid steer over there just does not have enough ground pressure to actually get the compaction into that. So put a whole lift on there yesterday, brought over 5,000 gallons of water. Time consuming process, but it's we're finally starting to actually bring the grade up. The overX is all filled in now. The grade's actually starting to come up above native, and we still got quite a bit of dirt left here to move. And I'm probably going to need at least this much more, which I'm not sure quite yet where that's coming from, but we'll find it, we'll truck it in, and we'll get the house pad finished. Thanks for watching.